Salomon 450 metrov, meter pa pol. 400 metrov pa pol zvigati, ja. 150 metrov. I velanski test možno bude spremao, nema se.
Yeah, these new facilities are very impressive. That before it was also a very nice place, very well organized and well set up. These new facilities are very impressive and very convenient for pilots and for the gliding and all kind of aviation activities. I'm very impressed about the development of this place. Very well organized competition, very impressive organization, and I have no basically remarks on that. Beautiful place. Regarding the past few tasks, this quite difficult weather with overheated moist air mass, weak thermals, but there was a chance to fly around. Yesterday was kind of convergence available on some part of the route. Fortunately for me, most of the pilots didn't want to use it. They made a bet on the Karavanken ridges, which in this type of weather are very difficult to work and you need a lot of altitude. You need very difficult to connect with the correct height with these ridges, and below they normally don't work in this type of weather. So I just used to the maximum this convergence line, and my strategy was to avoid ridge flying as much as possible, not get low at the expense of the speed. Of course, I sacrificed the speed in some places, just trying to maintain as much to the cloud base as possible, because below it was just moist, stable air and not working. So I managed to avoid dropping into the stable air and keep the pace, not very fast, but fortunately it was faster than others. That's it.
And then I find in the middle of the valley with the hotel, and then I was well done.
Then for you, it's a hat from Yonkers, because otherwise you would have the same hat every day. Maybe today you prepared a speech for us. What was?
Well, you want to hear the story? Yeah.
Yes.
All right, I'll try to be serious this time.
Na tvoj leto čiri, da sem.
Moja samo to, da sem se manj zaštrikal po ostalih. Moja prva raketa je bila dobra, pravzaprav zelo dobra. 45 na uro v višini hribov. Na našem koncu so na meji. Jaz bom pospravil. Ja, včeraj je bil zanimiv dan. Prvo planiranje je bilo malo nizko, pa se je treba malo potruditi za prvo dviganje. Potem, ko smo se nekje pri Pohorju uspeli dvigniti više, je šlo pa zelo dobro naprej. Proti Avstriji se je naredila ena konvergenčna linija, tako da smo imeli visoke potovalne hitrosti. Potem so se pa proti zahodu začele spet težave. Vsi smo padli nekako nizko, nekje med Uršlo goro in Smrekovcem. In nam je pač uspelo, da smo najmanj časa izgubili. Ko smo prišli na Gorenjsko, je bilo pa spet vreme nekoliko boljše, tako da potem ni bilo nekih težav za dolet. Tako da mislim, da bistvo včeraj je bilo to, da smo naredili najmanj napak oziroma smo imeli najmanj težav na tistem bistvenem delu, kjer smo vsi imeli težav.
Open at 1323. 1323. Klubski razred ob 1323.
metrov, 70 metrov, 60 metrov, 50 metrov.
Take a water push up.
Nad Kamnolovom 4550 metrov, meter pa pol. 400 metrov pa pol zviganja, Bibel 150 metrov. Velenski test, možno boste spremal, ne manjše. Ok,